Welcome, viewers, welcome, students, to another session, another presentation on key card. We have already added one presentation on this document, but this is another one, and this will help us understand its importance even more. Let me slightly zoom it for you, even though it is quite clear, I'm sure. The Please follow the cursor for this video since my video is not available. The telephone number, the hotel logo is here, IHM CAN Patna. The address is here, and the document's title is Key Card Come Resident ARI. This is a very old document, and I'm not very sure what ARI means. So I have created my own definition for this. So I explain this as active resident identification. Active resident identification, which means these are the guests who are staying in the hotel and their account is active, and they can be allowed to buy in various outlets like coffee shop, bar, restaurant, health club, spa. They are authorized to buy on credit and pay only once at departure. So key card come resident active resident identification. Now we start with hospitality. The statement here is we, the management and staff of Hotel IHM, cordially invite you and wish your stay will be a most pleasant one. So this is a nice way of setting a tone for the guest stay, since this document is issued at check-in and it accompanies the key. Every time a key is issued for a new arrival, this key card is also issued, and the guest is expected to carry this card at all times as a proof that he is a genuine resident guest of this hotel. So, what are the details on this document? First thing is the name, and here it is not mentioned whether surname first or first name first. In fact, we'll have first name first here because this is a unique document, and each guest will have a unique ID. Room number and room numbers. Sometimes people come in groups, so there could be many rooms under one group, but only one account which is settled and managed by one group leader. So in that case, one key card will be issued to the group leader, and will add all the room numbers under that group. So this key card is also issued to a group leader as well as to a resident individual, what we call as FIT, free independent traveler or free individual traveler. Rate and terms, this is the room rate, and terms and conditions is like this tariff is for 24 hours, this tariff is for a night on night basis. So all those terms and conditions must be mentioned. So it is like rate and terms per day per person. So whatever the charges are, it is mentioned here, and then date and of departure and time. This is very important because if the guest exceeds the departure time, which is normally 12 noon in a city hotel, downtown hotel, then the guest is expected to pay extra. Date of arrival and time. So this is the duration between which this card will be valid. After this time, the card will not be valid. Signature of the guest on this card, so that if he goes to any point of sale and he wants to buy on credit, he wishes to utilize his charge privileges, so he can simply show this card. The outlet will make a bill for him. The bill will contain the amount that he has spent, and the guest simply signs it as the proof of having consumed it and also accepting responsibility for paying for it at a departure, at settlement, whenever that takes place. The employee of the front desk who issues this card also has to sign it, and if any entry here is missing, if any of these entries, for example, room number, rate and terms, time of departure, date, if any of it is missing, then the receptionist who has made this card is responsible for it. So, naturally, signature is very crucial in hotels, and you must be very careful about choosing where to sign, where not to sign. So, unless you are very sure of something, please do not sign a document. And then finally, we have this instruction for the guest. It, in fact, guides him about the usage of this card. It says, please show this card each time you collect your card. Now, this card is quite simple. We have done one more video on resident card. Please watch that video, where we also instruct the guest to produce this document every time they wish to have any charge privilege, any purchase on credit, where they will not pay immediately, but only they'll pay once at departure at settlement. So that is all in this video on key card come resident card. This document is very old. We have preserved it digitally, IHM Hajipur. And modern day key cards are different, and we'll be making a video for that shortly. Now we have electronic card keys which resemble a credit card or debit card, and they come covered in a paper jacket. So that serves as a resident card or key card, and we'll show you that document to you as well. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Have a great career.